What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I am gonna talk about a new set of earbuds that I have been using for the past couple of weeks and which I think is one of the best. But before that, I am holding this box because I have 50 earbuds inside this case. Yeah, these 50 are the ones that I usually use. Other than these 50, I also have more than 100 other earbuds in this studio. So I have a thing for earbuds and I always keep doing some research on earbuds to find the best. I mean, not only the one which offers the best performance, but also the ones which offers very good, better value for money. Okay, here comes TOZO Golden X1. Yeah, I have already reviewed a TOZO earbuds, I think almost more than a year ago. Today, this TOZO Golden X1 is something different. This one not only offers a very good value for money, this one is actually one of the best flagship earbuds that I have ever tried. At this moment, this one even costs less than $150 and this one comes in a very nice packaging. Check this TOZO Golden X1 comes with high-res audio wireless certification. This one supports Ldsc codec and yeah, this one also has Auric X Pro and TUV Rain Shield certified. This one comes with balanced armature drivers and dynamic drivers. There is a combination of both of these two inside each of the earbuds. On the box, it's clearly written 12mm diameter dynamic speaker with polymer composite film materials, balanced armature drivers and dynamic drivers. This one comes with a LED display panel which shows the battery capacity on the display. This one also has ENC call noise cancellation, active noise cancellation, and well, TOZO claims that this one will offer at least 32 hours of ultra long battery life. IPX6 waterproof and sweatproof, Bluetooth 5.3 technology. That's not everything, there are something else. Like TOZO have their own customized sound settings. This one supports wireless charging. And well, this one has 6 built-in microphones. This one also has golden frequency response curves in line with the characteristics of the human ear canal with an original lossless sound effect. Okay, that's a lot of nice things that's written on the box, or I mean the brand claims. Now, I am here to share the truth with you. Let's start from unboxing. But before we do the unboxing, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. I really like the unboxing experience of this TOZO Golden X. Yeah, I have already unboxed one and these days Thea actually takes everything away from me, so I had to get a second one. It clearly says open on the side panel. And there are some magnets. The side panel actually gets connected to the body using the magnets. Look at this. On top of the box, I really like the way they have printed the logo TOZO and X1. Wow, after opening the top lid, there are some illustrations. The first thing is an envelope, and inside the envelope you will get a quick guide. Oh my gosh, it looks so very beautiful. I like the golden color accent on this black, and check this. The earbuds comes outside the charging case and they have written everything clearly and they have even added illustrations. Before we check the earbuds and the charging case, let's check what other things we have got inside the box. Check this. TOZO has provided 5 different sized ear tips. Kudos to TOZO. Underneath the ear tips, there is a box which comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This is a very good quality charging cable, no complaint. I really like this. Well, finally, here comes the earbuds. Yeah, on the earbuds, there is a set of ear tips pre-installed, but I would recommend that you should try the other sized ear tips, which one actually offers you the best comfort and gets the best seal. Well, in hand, these earbuds feels premium. There is no other word that I could use. All the cutouts and all the curves are so very smooth and in hand gives a very soothing premium feelings. TOZO have used the golden color to print the brand name TOZO on both the earbuds. Trust me, usually I don't like this type of branding, but the way TOZO has integrated this, it looks so very amazing. If you have watched my other earbuds review videos, I have always mentioned these. If a set of earbuds comes with ear tips, then the ear tips are the second most important thing of that earbud. Yeah, this one comes with ear tips, and I'm very happy to see that the engineers in TOZO have done a lot of research and used the best materials possible to provide the best fit and at the same time offers a very good comfort. The thing is, this set of earbuds comes with a set of pre-installed ear tips, but inside my ear canal those feels a bit bigger, so I had to change the ear tips to a smaller sized ones. And when I was changing the ear tips, I have noticed that TOZO actually have used the best possible cutouts on the dynamic driver's grill. They have also used the scientific way to design it that offers a very good premium quality sound. Oh yeah, it was very easy to change the ear tips. After I have changed the ear tips to a smaller sized one, wow! This TOZO Golden X1 inside my ear canal provides me the best possible comfort and gets a very tight seal without any active noise cancellation. Only because it gets a very good seal, a very tight seal inside my ear canal, this one offers some sort of noise cancellation. That's crazily cool. Well, here comes the charging case. This charging case is also a very good quality one. And yeah, I really like the design language of this charging case. It's very easy to open the top lid. There is a very nice LED light on this charging case, and inside the charging case, look at this. It shows the battery status. On top of that, there is a pairing button, and look at this. Inside the top lid, they have printed the brand name of balanced armature drivers, that is no less, and Ldsc codec, high-res audio wireless. Cool. It looks nice. It's really very easy to put the earbuds inside the charging case, and it's even easier to take the earbuds out of the charging case. Once we put the earbuds inside the charging case, we will also be able to check the battery status of the earbuds. Cool. The charging case is truly a very light one, yet comes with a very good, very sturdy build quality. As this one supports Qi wireless charging, this one has a flat base and we can put this one on any Qi wireless charger or on any flat surface without any issue. Well, before I talk about the sound quality and some other sound quality related things, I need to mention a few things. This one offers active and environmental noise cancellation, supports Ldsc codec, which is 3 times better than SBC or many other codecs, and yeah, as this one is high-res wireless certified, this one definitely offers better sound. Each of the earbuds comes with 55 mAh battery inside, and the charging case has 500 mAh battery, so the charging case can offer almost 5 times of charging to both the earbuds. Well, how about battery life? It's 7 hours of listening time with single charge, but that's not with Ldsc. With Ldsc, battery life gets reduced because with Ldsc codec, the earbuds have to transmit more than 990 kilobits per second, so that takes a bit of a power. But the thing is, if this set of earbuds and the charging case is fully charged, we will definitely get more than 30 hours of listening time. Okay, at the beginning, I have also talked about hybrid dynamic driver and balanced armature driver. This TOZO Golden X1 combines customized balanced armature and 12mm dynamic drivers into a single earbud body. This one can produce harmonized treble and bass, also offers ultimate sound quality. This one will even meet the requirements of the musicians. As this one features high-res audio, this one is much more excellent in low frequency. This one is capable of reproducing treble up to 44.1 kHz, which is even higher than what human ear can hear. Okay, this one can even reproduce the ultrasonic sound of dolphins. One more time, kudos to TOZO. As this one comes with a hybrid driver along with balanced armature driver, this one definitely can reproduce high frequency sounds, and this one can reproduce the sound of metal guitar, drums and a lot of other instruments better than many other flagship earbuds. At this point, it may feel like, okay, why Han is praising this product so much? Because I have already shown I have more than 50 earbuds, and some of those earbuds actually cost more than twice of what this TOZO Golden X1 costs. And after using this TOZO Golden X1, being a musician, I feel so very cool. And when I have started listening music with this TOZO Golden X1, I have felt like I'm back to my 20s. because this one not only can reproduce high frequency, this one can reproduce low frequency and the mid frequencies. Yeah, most of the other flagship earbuds can do that, but there is a problem. Like most of the time, an earbud can reproduce high frequencies very good, mid frequencies okay, low frequencies okay, or some other earbuds can reproduce high frequencies and low frequencies very well. Mid frequencies are almost okay, but this one gets 10 out of 10 for all three different frequencies, and there is a very good separation between the frequencies. Even if you know what I mean, after I have played those music in different scale, and this one has perfectly reproduced those sound. I'm truly super excited at this moment. Well, before we talk about ENC and ANC, let me do the rating for sound quality. 10 out of 10 for bass, 10 out of 10 for treble, 10 out of 10 for mids, I mean the vocal. This one gets straight 10 out of 10. I can't remember that I have given such a high rating to any other set of earbuds, so definitely this one is way better than the others. Well, as this one comes with ANC and ENC, I have tried this set of earbuds in different environments. Let me be very clear. ANC of TOZO X1 is very good, definitely better than many other, but we have to use the application of TOZO to get the best ANC and ENC performance. In-call noise cancellation is also very good. This one actually can isolate my voice when I'm talking in a call in a very noisy environment. But there is a funny thing. Sometimes the noise cancellation is so good that the people who I am in call with, they would ask, "Are you in your studio? Are you not in your office? Are you not working? Why is it so calm and quiet?" I have to explain like, okay, I'm using TOZO X1, which offers a very good in-call environmental noise cancellation, which can actually isolate my voice from all the noise. That's really a nice thing. Yeah, I love it. Well, inside the application, there are a few tabs like ear print, noise cancellation, sound effect. Well, after you connect your TOZO Golden X1 with the application, you have to take the hearing test. They have also written the purpose of the hearing test, and the test is actually an easy one. You have to select your age, your gender. Then what you have to do is to adjust the volume to a proper level. Do not adjust the volume during the test. Set the proper volume, then do the hearing test. After you go through the test, it will show the curve, your ear print data, my hearing curve versus compensation curve, low, medium, high. Save the test data and you will have your own ear print. Well, as I've mentioned earlier, we need to use the application to select the noise cancellation thing. There is a noise cancellation, transparency mode, reduce wind noise, laser mode, normal mode, and custom pattern. In custom pattern, we can select the noise cancellation level. Now, what I really like about this TOZO application is this one comes with sound effects. We can select different sound effects. Other than that, we can select touch controls like what will happen with one click, double click, triple click, and a long press. On the right, one click play pause, double click next song, triple click voice assistant, long press, volume plus. These are pre-installed setup, but we can actually change some of the settings. I'm not sure why we cannot change this voice assistant thing on the right earbud or the mood settings on the left earbud. They should have allowed us to change these settings. We can also check for firmware update on this application. Well, at the bottom there are some tabs like home where you have your earbuds. There is a tab which calls products, and inside that we will be able to know about all the TOZO products. Then the third tab is explore, which comes with a lot of soothing, relaxation, hypnotic and absolute sounds. There is another tab which is my TOZO where we can log in using our email and password. There is my products, activity, problem feedback, frequently asked questions, customer service, about, and settings. I'm really happy to see that they have integrated customer service inside this application. That's really a nice touch. Okay, now this sound is recorded with my Rode wireless microphone, and the sound you're listening to now is recorded with TOZO X1 earbuds. How is the sound quality? One more time, I'm back to my Rode wireless microphone, and here comes TOZO Golden X1. Yeah, definitely there is a difference between this TOZO Golden X1 microphone and Rode wireless microphone sound quality, because this Rode wireless microphone is a professional microphone and costs 3 times more than this TOZO Golden X1 microphone costs, but if we really do the comparison with its original competitors, I mean other $150 earbuds, then the sound quality of TOZO Golden X1 microphone is way better than the other microphones. Finally, it's time for verdict. TOZO Golden X1 at this moment is the best set of earbuds if you really like to listen to music. Not only music, anything you want to listen to. If you really want a set of earbuds to reproduce the original sound, then TOZO Golden X1 should be your choice. That's my personal opinion because I'm already in love with this TOZO Golden X1. Not only me, my girlfriend Thea also loves it. So yeah, we both are musicians. I play lead guitar and she plays bass. So we know a bit about music, and as I've already shown at the beginning, I have more than 50 flagship earbuds. I know a bit about earbuds too. I have left the link of this product in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check the link. If you have any question about this TOZO Golden X1, please don't forget to make a comment and ask me. I will definitely read all of your comments and I will try to reply to all of you. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.